the fuck?
What?
Your farts sound like bagpipes.
How do they sound like bagpipes?
You don't hear that every time you fart? You never noticed that?
No, I guess not.
They sound like bagpipes. That's fucked up. Why?
Yeah.
Because you're Scottish? That's stupid. Shouldn't everybody's farts sound the same?
Yeah, fart sounds like a fart.
Farts don't have accents or anything, but a bagpipe?
How the fuck can my fart have an accent?
I must be hearing things. Fuck it. Maybe it's me.